Illnesses and injuries can happen to anyone at any point in time. It's painful and it's scary. And for the millions of people without insurance, it can be devastating. The hospital bills and medications are just too costly. Many people feel invisible and don't know where to turn. Luckily, You Are Well can help. You Are Well is a student-run, free health clinic through the University of Rochester School of Medicine. It provides free medical care to underinsured and uninsured individuals in the Rochester area.
A lot of the patients that I've encountered tend to it's a situation of circumstance. So they either started a new job and they don't have health care yet, or they're in a job that doesn't give health care. And also I've seen patients with the new Affordable Care Act, the high deductible. So it's not that they don't have health insurance, it's that they can't afford the deductible. So in essence, this is really, from my dealing with those patients, it's really benefit them because it's able to give them that care that they otherwise wouldn't be able to get.
Every time I go in, I see at least one patient that has a giant hurdle that's kind of stopping them from being well or being, where they need to be. It can get overwhelming at times to see all the patients that kind of slip through the cracks.
The first location opened in 2004 at St. Joseph's Neighborhood Center on South Avenue. Since the space is permanently dedicated to clinical work, the number of services offered at this location is extensive. Physical examinations, lab work, specialist consultations, dental care, and New York State exchange enrollment are just a few of the options available. You Are Well sees patients at St. Joseph's every Tuesday night from 6 to 8 p.m. by appointment. After 5 years and much success, You Are Well opened another clinic at Osbury First United Methodist Church on East Avenue in 2009. Each Thursday night from 6 to 8 p.m., the clinic opens its doors to anyone who is uninsured with acute medical concerns or chronic conditions. The clinic offers urinary pregnancy tests, urine analysis, PPD testing, and flu shots, along with having special days dedicated to physical examinations and dermatology. The latest clinic opened on September 24, 2014 in the St. Luke Tabernacle Community Church located in the Maplewood community on Dewey Avenue. The site focuses on offering care for acute illnesses, urgent care, routine physical examinations, health screenings, referrals to other free healthcare services, and assistance for English and Spanish speakers who want to sign up for health insurance. The clinic is open on the second and last Wednesday of every month from 6 to 8 p.m., and no appointments are necessary.
The other side of it is that it's an opportunity for our students to have another way to hone their clinical skills, their observation skills, their listening skills. So I think it gives them an opportunity to learn in a non-threatening environment with faculty and residents who are very excited to precept them in where nobody's being judged for anything.
I think it's definitely changed how I see medical care and how I see patients. This is where I grew up. I grew up in Rochester, and I see people that I would have never seen even at Strong, and you see them in a much different situation than you do when they come to the hospital. So it's changed the way I look at patients. I can't just discharge them out into the world because they might have nowhere to go or nowhere to follow up. And even though we're giving them all this information, if they can't really comprehend it, then it's not helping. I'm a little more mindful of how much your social situation plays into your medical care.